guys, today this is gonna be a video of cheetahs are here. They got out the new animal so quickly. Like the kangaroo, it took them like 3 months to find out. What then? And there's a new video, blah blah blah. The new Halloween thing is here. I was okay, and yeah, and this I really think a lot of people should do this. Like, this is an endangered animal, a polar bear. A lion, not that endangered, but still helps them. I don't know what these are.
Yeah, they're endangered.
They are?
Yeah, they're becoming endangered.
Sam, look at the back page of your newspaper thing. It said the new animal gift cards are come with diamonds. These cards. Whoa, Sam! Now you can buy a snow leopard gift card with diamonds. Now they got those out. You can only get them in Walmart and Target.
Is the video still here?
What video? There's my monkey friend. Like, everyone has these top hats. Where do you get those? Like, look at this. Look at that. That's Arctic Wolf. Yeah, I showed that. I'm the Arctic Wolf right here. The stupid put. I only have one diamond. Sucky. Yeah, I wanna buy it. I'll show you one cheetah right now. Where is it? I can't find one. Write in the comments if you think snow leopards look like cheetahs.
No, they don't.
My friend thinks they don't, but let's see your option.
Snow leopards are more muscular.
Yeah, I know that.
And bigger head.
Yeah, wait, what the heck? I really think Animal Jam should fix this thing. Click it anyways. Oh my gosh, all I see is white animals hopping and dancing. Why is everyone hopping? They're supposed to dance. Sorry, my mom was just talking. And she just gave me that. Oh my, I really want that. Let's see if she has it in our trading list. Why does it?
Everyone's saying hop.
Yeah, they're supposed to dance. I'm the only dancing white Arctic wolf there. Yes, be white. And don't put those dead eyes on those.
You got the cheetah?
Not me, no.
Oh.
If I did, I would tell you. What?
Are you there to? Oh yeah, you are. Wait, Ari, why is your name tag black?
Oh, dang it! Oh, duh!
चलो अरे वो नमाज पढ़ लो फिर तुम्हारे बाल भी कटवाने थे मुझे चलो
Why?
उठ जाओ नमाज का टाइम 11 बेटा सिर्फ 4 बार
Why do I need a haircut?
हैं
Why do I need a haircut?
मैं फिर मौलवी साहब से कहूंगी नमाज नहीं पढ़ता घर
Why do I need a haircut?
हेयर कट इतने बुरे हेयर कट हो रहे हैं उठो उठो चलो
Okay, I'll just pause this video for a second. My mom just saying random stuff about hairs. Okay, guys, I need to end this video. Sorry I wasted like 4 minutes and 57 seconds of your life. And bye, Hussein, say bye.
Bye.
They can't hear you. Say it louder. Okay, Roseanne doesn't want to say